Even though the brake system is critical to the safety of the vehicle, its regular inspection is very often underestimated. We often associate servicing of the brake system with the replacement of brake discs and brake pads, because they in fact wear out most frequently. However, it's important to remember that other elements of the brake system must also be inspected and replaced if necessary. Brake system inspection starts under the car bonnet. Among other things, there's a brake fluid reservoir. We must inspect its level and condition. Other elements which should be inspected are the connectors between the brake master cylinder and other components of the brake system. We inspect the threaded joints for leaks and corrosion. The brake fluid is fed to the calipers through the brake hoses. We inspect the rigid hoses for corrosion, while in the case of flexible hoses, let's remember to replace them at least every 5 years. Any leakage in the brake system will result in a loss of pressure and, in effect, loss of braking force. We must evaluate the brake pads for possible damage and the thickness of the friction material. Its minimum thickness is 2 millimeters, while the difference between a new and used pad is clearly visible. When assessing the technical condition of the brake disc, we inspect for mechanical damage, discoloration, or corrosion. Even an apparently fine brake disc may turn out to be too thin to be further used in a car. Each brake disc has a specific minimum thickness value specified by the manufacturer. In this case, the minimum thickness value is 22.4 millimeters. Our brake disc is 22.1 millimeters thick, so it must be replaced. The mechanic should inspect the brake caliper for mechanical damage, paying special attention to the condition of the brake piston cover, which protects it against corrosion. Brake system corrosion could lead to seizing and overheating of the brake system. To be sure that your car's braking system is properly inspected and serviced, always choose workshops that focus on the technical knowledge of their mechanics. By choosing the workshop which is part of the ZF ProTech workshop concept, you can be assured that the best specialists take care of your car.